Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you these ruby crystal flower earrings. They're really easy to make and I'm showing you step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make them by yourself. If you have any questions, just ask me anything in the comments and I will answer to all of you. If you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button if you still haven't to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. In this way, you will know when I release matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done and you will be able to make beautiful sets. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find a full list of material, a link to my store and a link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 4mm bicones in this beautiful red color, and they are 24, 12 per earring, and here I'm using 11 ounce seed beads in silver and red, and here I use ear wires. This is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice, and here I'm using size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay, and now I have half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'm going to take 6 seed beads alternated but by 6 4mm crystals. Okay guys, and now I have 12 beads here, 6 crystals and 6 seed beads. And now I'm going to slide all of those down like this, and here I'm going to make a knot, and I'm making a knot by making a loop and going with my tail thread twice through the loop I've made, and then I pull and I will make one more knot and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have. Then I will go through 3 seed beads here in this direction. Okay, now I have this. Okay, and now I'm going to take 1 silver seed bead, 1 red seed bead and 1 silver. This is what I have on my needle, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, I'm going back in circle through the same seed bead. Okay, you see here I have something like a loop and I pull. Okay, now this is what I have. Then I will go through my next crystal and exit out of my next seed bead because I want to repeat this step. Okay, I will take silver, red, silver. Okay, and I will go back through this silver, and if you can, in one movement go through the next crystal and the next silver and pull. You see here you have a loop and pull. Okay, and then silver, red, silver, and just to save time go through these 3 beads after that, silver, crystal, silver, in one movement. Okay, and I'm going to repeat these 3 more times. Okay guys, and now you see this is what I have, and now in this step I will go through this silver here, and I'm pulling, and I will start my next row, and in the whole of my next row I'm going to take a silver, a crystal, and a silver, okay, and then as I'm exiting from this bead here, I will go here to this one, and when I pull, you see what I have. Now I will skip this middle bead and I will go directly here. Okay, it's easier for me to do this. Now here what I need to take is the same thing, a silver, a bicone, and a silver one. Okay, now I'm going through this silver here, pull, skip this middle one because it will be difficult to go through it. It's not impossible, but okay. Now I'm taking one silver, one bicone, and one silver. This is what I have, and I'm going here, pull, then I will go through this bead. Okay, and silver, crystal, silver, going here, skip the middle and go out of this one. Okay, and I will continue this 2 more times. Okay, and when I'm ready with this, I will go again in this direction through these 2 beads. And now I will start my next row. And for my next row, I prefer to flip my work in this direction. Okay, you see. Now I will take 3 seed beads. Okay, 3. Then I'm going here through these 2, and I'm pulling. Okay, like this. Now this is what I have. Then I'm going here through this crystal, and what I do is that I go in this direction through these 2 beads, like that. And here it is time to take 3 more beads. Okay, I'm taking 3 more silver beads, like that. And I'm going here through these 2 beads, pulling tight. Okay, then I will go again through this crystal here, through this bicone, go here through these 2 silver beads. Okay, the angle is difficult to go at once, that is why I will go first through one of them, and then I will go through the second. Okay, then I will take 3 more beads, and I will go here through these 2. Then I'm going through this crystal again, and I will continue this until the end of this row. This means 3 more times. Okay, and this is the last bead that I'm going through in this row, and now my earring is almost ready, but I will go here in my next flower where I wanna attach my ear wire. Okay, I'm going here in this middle bead that's sticking out here. Okay, and I will take a red bead, my ear wire, and then one more red bead. So you see, this is what I have on my needle, and I'm going here through this bead back in circle, and I'm pulling. Now you see what I have, and I will go around several times to reinforce this joint here. Okay, and now I have this, and now I will go here to the center of my work, and I'm going to make a knot. Okay guys, and now here I will make a loop like that, and I will go once, then I will go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling really tight. Then I could continue doing these knots more and more. When I'm ready, I will go through the following seed bead, and I prefer to go to the back of my earring, and then I will take my scissors and cut my thread. Okay, like that. And now guys, my earring is ready. Okay guys, and now my ruby bicone earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit the bell button if you still haven't, to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find full list of materials, a link to my store, and a link to PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.